DS-518 multifunction latex spraying machine. This machine is applicable for spraying atomized latex or water-based glue onto upper, lining, and insole. The spraying gun is of Germany origin. The spraying area and amount are adjustable to save glue consumption. The uniquely designed air suction device may centrally collect the flying misty spray to reduce environment pollution and improve working conditions. After the work finishes, the double tank design ensures the spraying gun and pipe can be washed with the water inside the tank separately, which helps to avoid blocking the spraying gun or pipes.